Saving money in a bank account is an essential step towards financial stability. Here are some effective strategies to help you save. Number one, set clear goals. Determine what you're saving for, whether it's an emergency fund or vacation or a large purchase. Clear goals can motivate you to save consistently. Number two, create a budget. Track your income and expenses to identify areas where you can cut back. Now, allocate a specific amount each month to your savings and into a TFSA or RSP account. Get some compound interest going early. Number three, automate savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account. This ensures you save before you have a chance to spend. Number four, choose the right account. Look for high yield savings accounts that offer better interest rates. This can help your money grow faster. Number five, limit withdrawals. Try to minimize the number of times that you withdraw from your savings account. Treat it as a long-term investment. Number six, use windfalls wisely. So whenever you receive unexpected money, such as bonuses or tax refunds, consider putting a significant portion directly to your savings, where it's somewhere where there's compound interest. Now, number seven, review regularly. Check your progress monthly. Adjust your budgets and goals as needed to stay on track. By following these steps, you can build a healthy savings account over time.